So you've just watched a video about making a flower arrangement, and I would like for you to go and look for wildflowers or flowers in your garden with permission that you can pick and create an arrangement. And so normally in class I go and spend an afternoon collecting flowers around our property in yards and in the woods, and we live out in the woods on a number of acres. And so since we're not in the classroom for me to collect them for you, you'll have to do it yourself. But I would like you to make an arrangement, see what you can find. Bringing beauty into your home is soul food. So you prepare a meal and you set a nice table in consideration of the people that you are serving, to do something to serve them and to care for them. And then creating flower arrangements is just brings a sense of beauty of God's creation into your world. So I was just going to put together one. I was going to show you what I found out in our woods. This would be the greenery, and so I'll have to chop it up and then we'll start with that. I did find some of these wildflowers. I think they're fleabane is the name of them, and they're growing right now. And then there are some purple wildflowers, which I couldn't identify the name of. I always like to know the names of things, and so my pocket guide did not include these. And then in my sister's yard, I found these lovely blue flowers. Maybe you have some growing in your yard. And then I stole a few of your knockout roses. So the colors, if you notice the blue and the red, things grow together in amazing ways that God brings these colors that we can put together that just really complement each other. Another thing in our woods that's growing right now is sweet shrub, which is this dark burgundy flower, and it has a very unusual smell. My mother says she remembers it as a child. To me, it doesn't smell sweet. It smells strange. But anyways, maybe that would make a nice addition into your flower arrangement. So the video you watched told you how to start with the greenery and then start adding the wildflowers in, and then lastly add the big burst of color. So I'll add the roses last. And so I'm going to stop this and then create the video, create the arrangement for you, and then show it to you. So here is what I've created. I am no flower arranging professional, but I just like to kind of play and dabble in it. And so I just keep working and create something that I find nice. And so I'll put this on my table. And I would like you to do the same. Just collect whatever you have around and work with it until it's pleasing. Usually you want to take into consideration the height. You don't want something super tall sticking out and something super short, and kind of want it to all be the same height. I think I pretty much accomplished that. You may need to do something with this piece back there to fix it. But generally the same height with a few accents that kind of stick out or above. So work with that. If you absolutely have nothing to work with, there are no flowers around you, you don't have any place to go and look for wildflowers, then create something, something with dried flowers or fake flowers or candlesticks or something to go along with your table setting. So you can put together the arrangement and include it in the picture with your table setting, or you can do two separate pictures. So I need to see a place setting that you know how to set the table. It can be a real meal, or it can be sometime this weekend you can just set it up and take a picture and then create some type of flower arrangement, something to go on your table to accent it. Hope you have a great weekend celebrating Easter. This will be very unusual, celebrating at home with our families. But we do have reason to celebrate because Christ has risen, and no matter what is going on in our crazy world, that we have a future and a hope because of what Christ has done for us. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll talk again on Monday.